Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study our new chapter, metals and non-metals. Before we move on to the chapter, let us understand what are metals and non-metals. Everything substantial that we use in our day-to-day life is either made up of metals or non-metals. Every substance or material you see around you is either made up of metal or a combination of metals or non-metal or their combinations. To understand this, let us see the physical properties of metals. सबसे पहले हम फिज़िकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ देखेंगे मेटल्स की कि वो कैसे दिखाई देते हैं. Metals are hard and have high tensile strength. Metals generally hard होते हैं और उनकी टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. मीन्स दे कांट बी broken easily. They can withstand the force easily. Metals remain solid at room temperature except mercury, which is found in liquid state. All the metals are generally solid except mercury, which is a exception to this. Mercury state is found in liquid state. Mercury is also used in thermometers to check the body temperature. Metals produce ringing sound, hence they are sonorous. Metals, if beaten, they produce ringing sound, so they are called sonorous. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals, good conductors means if we pass heat, they can pass heat और electricity through them. तभी हम देखते हैं घर में जो बर्तन होते हैं वो स्टील के बने होते हैं और स्टील इज़ अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 2 or 3 metals, including iron, carbon or sometimes chromium, and some other metals are also there. And metals are good conductors of electricity, means if we pass electricity through them, they can pass electricity through them. The wirings of your home is made up of copper metal. Metals can be beaten into thin sheet. They are malleable. Metals कैसे होते हैं? Malleable होते हैं. वो उनको बीट करने पर they can be converted into thin sheets. आप घर पे खाना लेके जाते हो स्कूल में एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल के अंदर. तो एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल क्या है? एक थिन शीट है एल्यूमिनियम की. दिस इज़ ड्यू टू दिस malleable, उसको बीट करके एक छोटी थिन शीट में कन्वर्ट किया हुआ है. सो दिस इज़ ड्यू टू द malleable नेचर ऑफ मेटल्स. एंड स्वीट्स के ऊपर आप देखते हो छोटी सी लेयर सिल्वर की लगी होती है. दैट इज़ सिल्वर मेटल इज़ ब्रोकन इनटू दैट मच थिन लेयर. Metals can be drawn into wires. As I told you, the wirings of your home is made up of copper metal. They can be converted into thin wires. Metals have high melting and boiling point. Means they उनको मेल्ट करना मीन्स सॉलिड स्टेट में पाए जाते हैं. उनको मेल्ट करके लिक्विड स्टेट में लाने में बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर रिक्वायर्ड होता है. दे हैव हाई मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. एक्सेप्शन टू दिस रूल इज सीजियम एंड गैलियम. दीज आर द टू मेटल्स which have low melting and boiling point. Metals are lustrous. Lustrous means shiny. They appear shiny. वो चमकते हैं. Except means all metals are lustrous. Now let us see the physical properties of non-metals. So far we learned the physical properties of metals. Now we are going to see the physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals are solid, liquid or gaseous at room temperature. They stay in three forms, all the three forms: solid, liquid or gas. They are brittle, means they can be broken easily. We know that metals are hard, but here non-metals are brittle. They can be broken. Non-metals are non-malleable, means they can't be converted into thin sheets. Non-metals are non-ductile, means they can't be converted into thin wires. Non-metals are non-sonorous, means they do not produce ringing sound when beaten. Non-metals are non-lustrous, means वो चमकते नहीं हैं. They do not appear shiny. कोयला तो आपने देखा ही होगा. कोयला कैसा होता है? काला होता है. और वो किसका फॉर्म होता है? कार्बन का फॉर्म होता है. तो these are non-lustrous. and carbon is a non-metal. Non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity, means they do not pass heat or electricity through them. Now exception to the physical properties, जो भी हमने अभी what we have learned so far, that non-metals are opposite to that of metals, उनकी properties opposite होती हैं metals के. But here are some of the exceptions to the physical properties. Alkali metals like sodium, potassium and lithium can be cut using knife. We know that metals are hard, but alkali metals means the group 1 of the periodic table. Group 1 metals including sodium, potassium and lithium, these can be cut with the knife. इनको काटा जा सकता है knife से. These are soft metals. Mercury is a liquid metal. We know that metals are generally found in solid state, but mercury is a exception. Lead and mercury are poor conductors of heat. We know that lead metals are good conductors except lead and mercury. Mercury expands significantly for the slight change in temperature. Temperature में थोड़ा सा change आ जाएगा, mercury will expand. We know that metals generally have high boiling point, but exception is mercury. Gallium and cesium have low melting point. We know that metals have high melting and boiling point, but gallium and cesium, these are exceptions. They melt at around 30 means 30 to 40. They melt easily at low temperature. Iodine is a non-metal, but it has luster. We know that non-metals do not have shiny appearance, but iodine is a exception to this rule. Graphite is crystalline form of carbon. It conducts electricity. We know that non-metals do not conduct electricity, but a crystalline form of carbon, graphite, it can conduct electricity. Crystalline form means metals are arranged in a pattern, in a particular pattern. So graphite is one of the crystalline form of carbon. Diamond is another crystalline form of carbon, but it can conduct heat and has high melting point. It is one of the hardest materials. Now let us see the chemical properties of metals. Metals, when react with oxygen, they form metal oxides. Metal plus oxygen will form metal oxide. Copper plus oxygen form copper oxide. Aluminium plus oxygen form aluminium oxide. सो मेटल क्या बनाते हैं? मेटल ऑक्साइड बनाते हैं जब ऑक्सीजन से रिएक्ट करते हैं. सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम आर हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल. सोडियम इज़ द मोस्ट रिएक्टिव मेटल. व्हेन they are exposed, so they are not exposed to the air directly, they are kept inside kerosene. If they are exposed to the air, they will catch fire easily. Aluminium, magnesium, zinc, lead, they form a thin layer of oxide over their surface. इनकी सरफेस के ऊपर एक ऑक्साइड की थिन लेयर बन जाती है जिससे इनकी इस मेटल का फर्दर ऑक्सीडेशन रुक जाता है, आगे ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं हो पाता. Copper forms copper oxide when exposed to oxygen and becomes black in color. कॉपर यूटेंसिल्स पे आपने देखा होगा थोड़ा सा ब्लैक कलर आ जाता है, वो कॉपर ऑक्साइड के फॉर्मेशन की वजह से होता है. Gold and silver do not react with oxygen. Gold and silver, these are least reactive metal, gold, silver, platinum. So they do not react with oxygen. Here you see the reactivity series. ये पूरी reactivity series है. Most reactive is potassium and least reactive is platinum. Now let us check what we have learned so far. Write physical properties of metals. I hope you can write, and you have to write this in your homework copy. Name metals which is found in liquid state. Name the non-metal which is lustrous. Name the most reactive metal. मेटल प्लस यहाँ पे क्या आएगा कि मेटल ऑक्साइड बन जाएगा. मेटल प्लस डैश इज इक्वल टू गिव्स मेटल ऑक्साइड. So children, this is for today. Hope you have a happy learning. Stay at home, stay healthy. Thank you.